Everybody wants to grow. Everybody wants to grow and be challenged and have more opportunities at work. And so, how do we make those opportunities more inclusive? Now, first of all, there is going to be some individualization to development plans. That makes sense. People are at different starting points. They may have different versions or visions for what growth looks like for them in their role. So, there needs to be an individualized component to it. But aside from that, while those development plans can be individualized, there's generally some understanding, whether it be in the department, in the role, in the company, of what growth, what development, what promotion looks like for that particular role. And so, how do we make that more accessible to more people? First of all, I think we need to have clarity, absolute clarity and transparency and visibility to what that path looks like and how an individual can put themselves on that path. What part of it does the employee own? So for example, there's a client that we work with in manufacturing where they have laid out a development path for their frontline production workers. And one of the things that was missing from more people taking advantage of that is that there wasn't good visibility to what the employee themselves could do to put themselves on that path. And so by simply increasing the awareness, having more communication, more visibility to the different steps, the different actions that the employee themselves could take and could control, they got more buy-in and more people excited about jumping on that path. The other piece is to be really clear. There's the part that the employee controls, the actions that they can and need to take to put themselves on the path, but then there's typically some other piece that's controlled by somebody else. It's somebody in leadership, it's a manager or supervisor in the department that maybe needs to sign off on something, needs to enroll an employee into a mentorship program or development program, or just simply give them the stretch assignments necessary to grow and to develop. And so as an organization, being really clear, what part does the employee own? What part does somebody else own? And the part that's owned by somebody else, having clarity around how people are chosen for those opportunities, why people are chosen for those opportunities, and then speaking clearly about that. I just recently was looking at a promotion announcement inside of our own organization and really testing to see, like, are we being as clear as we can be? And in our promotion announcement, we include specific bullet points of why this person was promoted and the things that they did and the reasons that they were selected for this opportunity. We want to communicate back to the organization what that looks like with clarity and transparency so others understand and they know how to put themselves in that same arm's reach of that same promotional opportunity. By putting words to all of this, you can remove some of the vagueness and the mystery around why people are being promoted. When you have mystery or vagueness, it leads to misunderstanding. It can definitely lead to misinterpretation, but more importantly, it's simply a missed opportunity. It's a missed opportunity for an employee to see how they can contribute to their own growth and what the organization values and rewards, and so they can put themselves on that path. Clarity, transparency, communication will help you create more opportunities for more people.